Are you looking for a quick and simple way to keep your employees safe and healthy in your store or workplace? Do you want to reduce the spread of contagious, airborne germs commonly caused by coughing, sneezing, or even droplets in your store or workplace? The Plexiglass Sneeze Guard Shield for Counter is acrylic sneeze guard shield to keep customers and employees safe and healthy. The Plexiglass shield will minimize the health risks that many workers and employees are faced with today. The Counter Sneeze Guard helps to reduce exposures for your employees to people coughing, sneezing, and spraying droplets from their nose or mouth. Sneeze Guard Shield for Countertops is ideal for germ protection for sales and service businesses. A must-have protective screen for cashiers, bank tellers, store employees at counters, tables, and desks. Quick and easy to assemble without any tools. Large size 23.75 H by 23.375 W, freestanding and portable to use anywhere and everywhere on countertops, desks, workstations, and cash registers. Perfect for cashiers, store clerks, bank tellers, and others. The plastic sneeze guard is a great way to protect both employees and customers while remaining open to the public. Limited stocks available. Click the link in or around this video to learn more. Click the link now, and get them now before they are gone.